What are the three key parts of warehousing logistics? Inventory management involves keeping inventory levels, ordering products at the right time, and implementing techniques to prioritize inventory. Storage space utilization. Making the most out of available storage space by using vertical storage systems, organizing inventory efficiently, and implementing a first-in, first-out FIFO system. Technology adoption. Technology such as barcode scanners, warehouse management systems doubles, and automated storage and retrieval systems ACERs can significantly improve warehouse logistics by streamlining processes, improving accuracy, and increasing productivity. How does technology impact warehousing logistics? Technology has dramatically impacted warehousing logistics by streamlining processes, increasing accuracy, and improving productivity. Using barcode scanners allows for quick and accurate inventory tracking, reducing the likelihood of errors and improving the overall accuracy of data. Overall, technology plays a crucial role in optimizing warehouse and logistics work. With this in mind, we're excited to discuss an innovative solution to take your logistics operations to the next level. Affiliate disclaimer. Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Transform your transportation enterprise into an epitome of innovation and unparalleled efficiency with Motive, the ultimate game changer in logistics. By integrating Motive into your operations, you position yourself alongside the giants of the industry, weaving a saga of relentless triumph. Get Motive today and commence a chapter where victory is not just a distant dream, but an attainable, vivid reality. Check out the link in the description for more info about Motive, for an enlightening deep dive into the evolving world of transportation and logistics. Don't miss our insightful previous video.